Here I am looking for the brilliant, magnificent, well, it is, Kingfisher. And as I walk down stealthily, not falling on my ass, I will hide where I have seen them before. Down here. This beautiful bird is again at it, making its second brood of the year. What a marvellous thing to see. Hopefully, I will sneak in and see this marvellous bird doing what it does best, fishing. It's all gone very quiet. I'm in position now, waiting for the kingfisher to come. If it's all it does, I'm looking at the mic and not the camera. I will show you. That was quite something. That is a male and female kingfisher bringing home the bacon for the young. I'm now going to move away and leave them to their repast.